Remember, the behavior of the child is based on two things. Either he or she is copying what you're doing, or they are reacting to what you're doing or saying. So their behavior is based on your behavior. It is very rare that a person's behavior or a child's behavior will go out of these bounds. It will remain in either emulation or reaction. So the better you make your own behavior, the more you improve your own behavior, the more you modify your behavior, the more the behavior of the child automatically becomes to modify itself. So we have to behave in order that our students and our children and our mentees will behave better.